Tired of constant distractions and craving pure, immersive sound? In 2025, finding the best noise-canceling earbuds is easier than ever, but picking the absolute top contender can be a challenge. We've put the most anticipated ANC earbuds through rigorous testing to reveal which ones truly deliver an unparalleled audio escape, transforming your daily commute or focus time into a sanctuary of sound. Don't wait, discover your perfect pair today. You can find direct purchase links for all these amazing earbuds right in the video description below. Number 1. Apple AirPods Pro 3 are back. Rumored to boast even more refined active noise cancellation and seamless integration for Apple users, setting a new standard for effortless quiet. Number 2. Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds continue Bose's legacy of best-in-class noise suppression, now with potentially enhanced comfort and startling audio fidelity that makes music sound dramatically better. Number 3. Sony WF-1000XM5 step up the game with their intelligent noise-canceling processor and stunning audio reproduction, promising an almost silent sanctuary for audiophiles on the go. Number 4. Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4 emerge as a serious contender, offering a powerful blend of pristine sound quality and effective noise blocking, perfect for discerning listeners. Number 5. JBL Live Pro 2 carve out their space with robust features and impressive ANC performance for their segment, proving that premium quiet doesn't always come with a premium price tag. Each of these 2025 earbuds brings a unique set of advantages to the table, from deep integration to superior sound or ultimate comfort. You won't believe how much difference truly exceptional noise cancellation can make to your daily life. Whether you're commuting, working, or just relaxing, these picks offer incredible performance, helping you make an informed decision and invest in your auditory peace.